2012 Chevy Camaro V6 true dual with an X pipe from the factory. Kept the resonators on it and did a muffler delete into his original tips. There's the old mufflers that came off, and this is what we did. We cut off the mufflers and straight piped it in their place. There's from this side and there's this side. We did 2 1/4 pipe as existing on the vehicle. Tell us what you guys think when you hear it. Sounds phenomenal. Nice and loud. Again, it's a 2012 Chevy Camaro V6. Did a muffler delete. That's the old mufflers that came off of it. Beautiful white color Camaro. It's absolutely beautiful.